Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to another edition of solving algorithms on codewars on Binary Life. Binary Life is a website that teaches junior developers how to code so that you can see the thinking process and how we go about the solution. Today we'll be solving a 7Q algorithm, and we'll be transforming an array into a string. Now, given an array like this, we'll combine let me stop this. We'll combine every element of the array and formulate a string. Now that is there are two things to know. We will have to run through this array, maybe with the for loop, and then we'll have to create a string where we'll collect each element and concatenate. I'll start with the creating of the string. So this is my string. Let me just call it my string, which is empty, and then I can use one of the for loops of JavaScript. So this is my array dot for each element, let's just call it element E. It's a callback. What am I going to do? I'm going to take the element, I'm going to rename it completely so that it's more reader friendly. So I'll take the element and add it to the string. I'll take the string and put a plus equal to whatever was in the string plus the element. Let me put some space for clean coding, something like that. And at the end I can return the string. Now this is good, and that's it, guys. Now I just submit so that we can see the different methods by other developers, other cool developers. This is very clever practice. So what happened is this is a clever solution. What happened is he has map is used to it's another way to run through an array. Like we just use the for each, you can use map, but map is a little bit different. It transforms the element of the array. So he has converted every element of the array with a string. If you remember in the exercise, we had figures also and everything like that. So he has converted to a string, and he has joined all of them. It's gonna form one big string. That's it. In our case, we took an empty string and we concatenated everything, and we concatenated even integers that were present in the array. What happens in the background is those integers were converted to string by the JavaScript in the background and added to the string. So at the end we had strings. So here he converts to a string explicitly so that every element of the array becomes a string, then he joins. There's another one. Reduce is a function that loops through an array in order to produce one thing. So here what happens is he loops through and he joins every element, so he adds them together starting from an empty string. This is so much the same like what we did, just using a different function, the reduce function. This is the same thing here like above. This is the same thing like the first one, the conversion to string. Now this one he makes sure he converts, this is the element we had, he converts the element to string. This one does it in the background, string. That's it. This is somebody that used a solution like our own. Very simple. And I think you can get the logic. This is very long, wasn't really necessary. Alright guys, so see you on another kata for another exercise, and this is our solution here. And don't forget to subscribe, because we're going to be solving hundreds and hundreds of coding challenges so that you can keep learning and improving your coding skills. Now, good day.